In this lesson, we are going to do a deeper dive into the pattern of the full musical alphabet so you can memorize the full musical alphabet, because it is at the foundation of all music you will learn ever. So let's dive in and take a look. The first thing for us to understand is that between B and C and E and F, there are no sharps or flats. So when you're trying to remember, you can pretty much say to yourself, okay, there's a sharp or flat between every single note, except for B and C and E and F. So the way this pattern works is, let's start on A. So we start on A, then we go to A sharp or B flat, and we can see that right between A and B, right down the middle, we have A sharp or B flat. So if we were to raise A sharp up by a little bit with the sharp, or we were to lower B down by a little bit with a flat, that gets us the same pitch, A sharp or B flat. The next note is B, and a reminder, between B and C there are no sharps or flats. We go straight from B to C. Now if we look between C to D, sure enough, down the middle, we have C sharp or D flat. So if we raise C up a little bit, or if we lower D down with a flat, we get the same pitch, that C sharp or D flat. Same pitch, two different note names. Let's keep looking here. Okay, so we see we have D and we have E, and down the middle, sure enough, between them, we have D sharp or E flat. D sharp if we were to raise the D up just a little bit. E flat if we were to bring that E down just a little bit. That gets us D sharp or E flat. Quick reminder that between E and F, there are no sharps or flats. We go straight from E to F. Now let's look at F to G. F to G, just like our basic musical alphabet, except now we're adding something in between them down the middle. That's an F sharp if we raise the F up with a sharp accidental, or G flat if we lower the G with a flat accidental. We get the same pitch, F sharp or G flat. Again, let's go back to our basic musical alphabet from G to A, divide it down the middle. If we were to raise G up with a sharp to G sharp, or we were to lower A down with a flat, G sharp or A flat. Now that is the full musical alphabet. I highly recommend memorizing the full musical alphabet, at least going forward. So you should be able to do this without looking at your screen. A sharp or B flat, B, C sharp or D flat, D sharp or E flat, E, F sharp or G flat, G sharp or A flat, A. Be able to go around and know the order of the full musical alphabet. I will see you in the next lesson. Hey there, if you want to learn more about music theory, I highly recommend right now going to grab the 10 things everyone should know about music theory. It's a free download for you that you can get right now. There's a link in the description, also in the pinned comment below this video. So what are you waiting for? Go grab that thing, and I will see you in the next video.